everyone! Today I'm going to show you on how you naturally treat your acne or your acne scars using the natural remedies such as potato, tomato, lemon, honey, and oatmeal, baking soda, and also olive oil. First, you're going to use is the lemon. Cut one piece of lemon, then squeeze the juice. After squeezing the juice, you can use your fingertip or a piece of cotton for you to apply on the scars or your pimples. So for me, I'd rather use a piece of cotton. But just a simple reminder, please always clean your hands because washing hands is the most simple and effective way to prevent the transmission of microorganisms, especially on your face or if you have an acne. So we are avoiding here to cross-contaminate your acne through your dirty hands, and also clean your equipment or any materials you're going to use during treating your pimples or the acne scars. So how you use this cotton? Just dip a piece of cotton on the lemon juice and then apply on your scars or your acne. You can use this maximum of 5 minutes. So those people who are sensitive skin, you can actually dilute this juice of lemon through a few drops of water. So just like this. Pour some drops of water, and that's the time you're going to apply on your face using your cotton or your fingertip. Second, natural remedies we're going to show is the honey. As I said before on my past videos, that honey has an antimicrobial effect, so this is really highly effective on treating your pimples. And it also helps in sunscreen, so it helps your skin prevent the damage of the sun. It also has capacity to prevent infection, and it's also a moisturizer. So those people who have dry skin, so honey is very good on our skin to prevent the dryness. Also, it will moisturize. So how are you going to use this honey? Just pour a few drops of honey, and you can leave it, apply it on your face, and you can leave it overnight. So the best time you're going to use a honey is when you're going to bed. You're going to sleep, and then after waking up, that's the time you're going to wash off. Or you can actually make also a mask using honey and an oatmeal. So how are you going to use a honey and an oatmeal? So I will use this. So just use 2 teaspoons of honey. So I will use this approximately 2 teaspoons and 1/4 cup of an oatmeal. So I use an oatmeal to make a mask. Then after mixing this honey and an oatmeal, that's the time you're going to mix. So most of us, I know you already guys use a mask, so you can see if the mixture of your oatmeal and your honey is enough to use as a mask. So you can blend the honey and your oatmeal. So after blending it and with honey and your oatmeal, that's the time you're going to apply it on your scar, or you can actually put it anywhere on your face, but be particular on the scars on the acne. And then leave this mask 15 to 20 minutes. The next natural remedy I'm going to show you is the aspirin. So most of us are familiar with the aspirin, right? Actually, people who have just fever don't ever use an aspirin because aspirin, the most side effects of it is bleeding. So it is not safe if you have just a fever, except if you have heart disease or whatever, or if your doctor prescribe you an aspirin. But this aspirin today, we're going to use this on how you're treating your scars or your pimples. So how are you going to use your aspirin? get a small cup or any container, then put a small amount of honey. Actually, you can use 2 teaspoons of honey. So approximately this is 2 teaspoons of honey. And then put 2 to 3 tablet of aspirin. And then wait until it will be dissolved. So you can dissolve this. And you can actually add a few drops of water. But take note, guys, don't use much water because we want this a gritty mixture for exfoliation. Because after mixing this and dissolve this aspirin, we have actually a nice gritty mixture of aspirin. That's the time you're going to apply on your scars or your pimple. Again, be gentle. Since the aspirin is gritty mixture, so there is a presence of roughness, so rough actually damage your skin. So it might break or break your skin. So this is not the ideal, or we want like that. We don't like that. What we want is to treat your pimples. So be gentle. Do not dip down your finger. Next, I'm going to show you is baking soda. How you're going to use your baking soda. Again, just get a small cup or any container and then put a small amount of baking soda and then blend it with a few drops of water to make a paste. So we're going to make this baking soda is a paste. So if you have already a paste, that's the time you're going to apply on your face. So maximum of 3 minutes when applying this baking soda. So baking soda is not just for cleaning your teeth or whitening your teeth, but also help your scars or acne to treat naturally. Next time we're going to show you is the raw tomato. How you're going to use your tomato. Get one piece of tomato and then cut. After cutting it, get a cup or any container, then get the pulp. So all you need is this pulp. This pulp. After getting your pulp, blend it and then apply this pulp on your face 15 to 20 minutes. You can actually repeat this procedures 2 to 3 times a week. Next time is the raw potato. What you're going to do with this potato, cut it down. Cut into small pieces and then use these pieces into your acne. Rub it slowly and gentle. You're going to stop rubbing it until you notice that the pieces of a cut of potato is dry. And then after that, get another one and scrub. Do it maximum of 20 minutes. And you can do this treatment once a week. If you have an olive oil, guys, use olive oil. Or what you need to do with olive oil is you need also a warm towel, wet warm towel. So, using an olive oil, apply an olive oil on your face, especially on the affected area, the area with acne or a pimple. And then, wet your face towel with a hot water until it becomes warm before applying it on your face. So for example, I already applied an olive oil here, and this face towel is wet and warm. We were going to use face towel as a steamer instead of any machine, because here we're going just to use simple no machine, and just a simple remedies, a cheap one. So for example, this is wet and warm. So that just is you're going to do is just use this as a steamer. You can leave this wet warm towel around 15 to 20 minutes. So just a piece of reminder, guys, if you have a serious acne problem, pimple problem, visit also your dermatologist or any person who is professional on taking good care of skin. Don't just go just out there or any people who are not master on taking care of your skin, because as you know, fixing your pimples, you don't have proper equipment, you don't have proper treatment, just worsen your pimples. It just make an intense, because every time you flick your pimples, you're getting out your collagen. As you know, collagen is the structure of our skin. It will help your skin to regain into normal. So every time you prick, you're pricking out also your collagen. So your collagen is getting out of your skin. So why professional is I highly recommended than those people just sitting there and just putting a small business there and pricking your pimples without proper education, without equipment, without medications. They just send you out after pricking your pimples. They just make your pimples worse and making your inflammation intense. So better go to the clinic or any spas or any dermatologist who are tested to treating your pimples. Because guys, they have the proper medications, they also have proper instruments to treat your pimples. Like they have steamer, they have a laser, they also have medication after to make as your maintenance. So these people is really good to help your acne. So what I'm going to show here is just the natural remedies to help you guys. Hope it will help you remove your acne. Just do this once a week, and other regimen is just 2 to 3 times a week to help you whiten and fairer skin. Live long with pimple free and stay cool. Bye bye.